Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back, and welcome back to another quick and easy recipe. Today we are going to be making some shrimp tacos. It is already getting late. I only have half an hour, less than half an hour to make this recipe. And we're also going to be making some avocado crema. So this is me washing all my ingredients and I am going to be cutting them. I got this vegetable slicer from Amazon. It is very easy to use and make cutting vegetable and onion so easy. I'm going to make sure to put the link in the description below. So we're just going to cut our veggies, and after that we are simply going to clean the shrimp and season the shrimp so we can start making our tacos. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking in that video. I want you guys to relax and enjoy this video. And this pot you are seeing right here, I got it from Amazon as well. I really love it because I can store my parsley, my cilantro, and my green onions in the fridge. I kid you not, they will last 2 weeks and will remain fresh. If you are interested in this herb saver, I'll make sure to put the link in the description as well. They are very cheap and I got them from Amazon. And for the pico de gallo, it's simple to make. I use tomatoes, red onions, bell peppers, some seasoning salt, cilantro, and lime. I mix it all together and now I'm going to let it sit in a bowl. And for the avocado de crema, I use cilantro, avocado, lime, seasoning salt, some red onion, and a little bit of bell peppers as well. For the lime, do not use too much lime because you do not want the acidity to overpower the avocado. And after that, I'm just simply going to put it in a blender and mix it well until it gives me the creamy texture that I like. And if you are new here, my name is Claude Mart, owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic blend seasoning, and yes, we ship worldwide. If you're interested in trying one of our seasoning, since most of the recipe that I am making on this channel, I make them using the organic seasoning from Le Bon Goût Seasoning, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. After the avocado, the crema is ready, I'm just going to put it on this container. Next, I'm gonna be seasoning the shrimp, and to season the shrimp, I am using the organic mild meat seasoning from Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Since I like a little bit of spicy in my shrimp, I'm also going to be using the organic hot pepper sauce from Le Bon Goût Seasoning as well. If you're interested in trying these two products, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. And we are simply going to marinate and let it sit for an additional 5 minutes before we start cooking. If you are crunching for time, you don't need to let it sit and marinate. It will taste just as well. And to cook the shrimp, I'm simply going to heat up some oil, and after that we are going to be cooking the shrimp. When you are cooking the shrimp, make sure you keep flipping it side so that you can make sure the shrimp is cooked evenly. When it starts looking pink, and it's pink to a consistency that you like, you don't want it to be overcooked so it doesn't taste rubbery, then you will know the shrimp is ready. And after the shrimps are ready, we're gonna be removing them from the stove, start building our tacos so we can begin serving. And this is the final result of a shrimp taco. I served some of them just with the pico de gallo, and the remaining I added the avocado crema on top. The pico de gallo has a good acidity, it is a little bit spicy from the jalapeno, and the avocado crema serves as a nice balance. As you can see, this recipe was very easy to put together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. Cooking made easy.